Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go here above settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to start up layer and location, you just click on it. You come here to start up layer here, just click in this sign. So then here can you select here if you want to add your slash overlay or other radar here or radar or wind here. So can you select here? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.